I had one subscriber tell me that they was about to call the fire department to get this out of their head. Oh, we got good sun today. So I'm gonna try and do a hairstyle. Let me get the rubber band. So all you gonna need for this is some rubber bands and a hair tie. Now this is an idea that's been in my head. I low-key already started it because I wanted to see how it would look, but for some odd reason, my hair is really fuzzy right now at the roots. So I've already started it. I already have two. Oh, you know what? So this is literally wash day morning, and I take it upon myself to try and bust out this hairstyle for y'all. So I am spraying this Carol's Daughter spray on my hair just to loosen my hair up a little bit. I'm low on rose water. I need to order some more, so I'm just using this to give my hair a little bit of moisture. Not even shine. I'm not even looking for the shine. Just a little bit of moisture to my hair because it is dry. It is literally wash day. So minus my big ass arm being in the way for you guys, I have better footage to show you basically how I decided to complete this hairstyle. Okay, this is how I envisioned it in my head. It was all, this is how I wanted to do it. This is, I'm not telling you this is how you should do it. This is just an inspiration video and me showing you how I did it. So I hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle, and if you do try it, don't forget to tag your girl on Instagram if you do post it, and let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. Okay, we just gonna do one with this one. I'm not splitting this into two because it was too much work. Girl, same with this one. Not trying to do two. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting tired. Yeah, no, like I thought it was a good idea. I just didn't execute it correctly. I don't quite have it down yet. I'm trying to figure out what to do with these two right here. Like, what is this? Okay, here we go. That is a middle. Yeah. I mean, on camera, it looks like shit. It doesn't look like anything. It literally looks like a hot ass mess. I can't even see it. I have to go back and look at the footage to see what it looks like. Oh, and then it's a vibe. Once again, y'all, I just be trying stuff. So I don't know if I really like this. I think I would like it better if my retie was a little bit fresher. I wanted to do this once my retie got done, but it didn't work out like that.